tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a collection to your homepage on Shopify. So let's get into it. There are actually two ways to do so. You can add your collections to your homepage and display it on your storefront. So first method is going to products. In products, you're going to select any of the products from here and it will take you to product page. So within here, you can scroll down a little bit and at this side of the screen in product organization, you will find collections. So if I click on collections, now I have the option of add to homepage. Click on add to homepage, click on save, and this product will be added to homepage and the collection as well. There is another way to add any collection to your homepage. For instance, you want to add featured collections, popular collection, and any other collection you have to your Shopify store. So you will go to your themes right here within your online store settings. In your themes, you're going to select customize. On your storefront, we will add a new section. So you can see here, I can click on add section and it will allow me to add a featured collection, featured product, collection list to my homepage. So you will select the homepage from here at the top. And now let's say I want to add a featured product or a collection list. Select this option and it will allow you to select any collection. Now I can just select the collection, this one right here. Click on select and you can see the collection will be added to the homepage. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.